Welcome to AutoPlus, my channel where we bring you the most insane rides on the planet. Today we're stepping into a world of wheels that redefines what luxury really means. Imagine owning a rolling palace that makes million-dollar mansions look basic. That's exactly what the 2026 luxury motorhome delivers. From the outside, it's a bold statement of power and elegance. Sleek, futuristic design, massive chrome accents, and a presence that demands attention wherever it goes. But trust me, it's the inside where things get absolutely unbelievable. Step through the automatic doors and you're greeted with a living room that feels like a five-star suite. Plush Italian leather sofas, a 4K smart entertainment system, and panoramic windows that flood the space with light. Every detail screams perfection. Move further in and the kitchen looks like it belongs in a millionaire's penthouse. Full-sized refrigerator, state-of-the-art oven, marble countertops, and even a built-in wine cooler for those high-class road trips. Cooking on the road has never looked this glamorous. The bedroom is pure comfort, king-sized bed, ambient lighting, and walls wrapped in luxurious textures. It's not just a place to sleep, it's a retreat. Connected to it, the bathroom is spa-level luxury, with rainfall showers, LED mirrors, and premium fittings that rival any five-star resort. But here's the kicker. This motorhome isn't just about beauty. It's powered by a high-performance engine that makes cruising smooth and effortless, while advanced tech keeps you connected and secure. Think of it as your personal moving mansion with every comfort you could ever dream of. So when people say this costs more than a mansion, they're not exaggerating. This is mobility, luxury, and power combined in a way that only the elite can understand. If you enjoyed this inside look, make sure to subscribe to AutoPlus for more unbelievable reviews of the world's most luxurious rides. And tell me in the comments, would you choose this motorhome over a mansion?